Daily Wisdom Kitchen. My name is Rosie. This is my husband,
Alexios.
Thank you so much for inviting us into your space. Today we're making something very native to Ghana, which is
Shito.
Shito is very native to Ghana, and you have seen him before. He's not a strange face to you, so welcome and enjoy the journey.
Thank you. So welcome to our Shito cooking session. Shito is just a name that we have in Ghana for pepper sauce. And pepper sauce is a versatile survival food. And this is mainly because most of the ingredients that we use are dry ingredients.
Okay, so walk us through the ingredients.
Yes. So we have the dried fish, two different kinds of dried fish. And then we have chili pepper. And I need to emphasize that the spice level is based on your own taste. But the spicier for Shito, the better it is. Extra virgin olive oil. I'll use shrimp powder. I have fresh ginger, a bag of onions, tomato paste. And this basically is what we're going to use to do our Shito. So.
Okay, so join us and enjoy the journey.
Wonderful. The whole point of Shito is that we're trying to cook it without any fluid, without any excess water. So that's why the actual Shito, people try to eliminate the use of onions or tomato paste or even fresh ginger because they contain liquids.
So what would you use?
Just the dried fish, the pepper, the dried fish, and that's it. It's very simple.
Okay.
But now, because we want to make it extra flavorful and also a little bit more, we add these three ingredients. But then we fry them so that all the fluid comes out. And then we get our Shito. To start off, I'm going to peel and cut the onions, blend them. And then we're going to fry them in oil until all the liquid comes out of it, until it's looking golden brown. I'm gonna cut open my tomato paste, and that's the secret of my Shito. This is what gives it the exotic, unique taste.
Haradali style.
Yeah, this method of making it. And so this is the secret. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the tomato paste with the ginger. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit messy. Okay, so now we close it and we blend it.
So that's the consistency you're looking for. It doesn't have to be super fine.
Yeah. Going to wait for the onions to brown and then we'll continue.
Shito making at its finest.
Shito is a sauce and a condiment, the perfect complement to any meal. And our Shito is cooked.
Okay, let's taste it. Cheers. So good. Good job. Good job, baby. Please try this recipe out and let us know in the comments below how you find it. Thank you so much for joining us. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.